Looking to shed those extra pounds quickly and naturally? Discover the power of the tea burn plan. This simple yet effective method uses specially crafted teas to boost metabolism, burn fat, and support weight loss. Watch the video to learn more about how you can achieve fast weight loss with this amazing tea-based plan. Into an exciting topic that promises to kickstart your weight loss journey. The ultimate tea burn challenge. Can you really lose weight in just 7 days with the power of tea? Let's find out. So, what exactly is the tea burn challenge? It's a popular regimen designed to harness the natural benefits of tea to accelerate your metabolism, burn fat, and detoxify your body. But does it really work? The idea is simple, yet compelling. By incorporating specific types of teas into your daily routine, you can rev up your body's calorie-burning mechanisms and shed those extra pounds quickly. The benefits are not just about weight loss either. Proponents of the tea burn challenge also claim increased energy levels, improved digestion, and reduced bloating. Sounds amazing, right? But let's dive deeper into how this all works. First off, let's talk about the stars of the show, the teas themselves. There are several types commonly used in the tea burn challenge, each with its own unique set of benefits. Green tea. This powerhouse is celebrated for its high concentration of antioxidants, particularly catechins, which are believed to aid in fat burning and boosting metabolism. It's like nature's turbocharger for your metabolism. Oolong tea. Often referred to as the weight loss tea. Oolong tea falls between green and black tea in terms of oxidation. It contains polyphenols that can help activate enzymes responsible for fat metabolism, potentially enhancing the breakdown of fat in the body. Detox teas. These are typically herbal blends crafted to support liver function and promote detoxification. Ingredients like dandelion, ginger, and licorice root are commonly found in detox teas, helping to flush out toxins and excess water weight. Now let's unpack how these teas work together to help you achieve your weight loss goals. Green tea, for instance, not only boosts your metabolism but also contains caffeine, which can temporarily increase fat burning and improve exercise performance. Oolong tea, on the other hand, may help with fat oxidation and the regulation of blood sugar levels, potentially curbing cravings throughout the day. Detox teas, with their blend of cleansing herbs, support the body's natural detoxification processes, which can aid in reducing bloating and promoting a flatter stomach. Together, these teas create a synergistic effect, helping you feel lighter, more energized, and ready to take on the day. Now that you understand the basics, let's talk about the practical application, the 7-day challenge plan. Here's a simplified daily routine to help you get started. Morning. Kickstart your day with a soothing cup of green tea. Its gentle caffeine boost can help you wake up and get your metabolism humming. Mid-morning. As you start to feel peckish, reach for a light snack paired with oolong tea. This combination can help satisfy your hunger while supporting your body's fat-burning efforts. Afternoon. Time for a detox tea break. Enjoy a calming herbal blend designed to aid digestion and promote detoxification. It's a refreshing pause that can also help reduce bloating and support overall gut health. Evening. Wind down your day with another cup of green tea or a relaxing herbal infusion. This not only helps to curb evening cravings, but also sets the stage for a restful night's sleep, which is crucial for weight management. As with any challenge, success lies in the details. Here are a few tips to maximize your results. Hydration. Stay hydrated throughout the day, as proper hydration supports your body's natural detoxification processes and can help control appetite. Balanced diet. While tea can be a powerful ally, it's essential to pair it with a balanced diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, and healthy fats. This ensures you're providing your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Physical activity. Incorporate light exercises or daily walks into your routine. Not only does exercise support overall health and well-being, but it also complements the tea burn challenge by enhancing calorie expenditure and promoting lean muscle mass. Ready to take on the tea burn challenge? Oh, there you have it. The ultimate tea burn challenge. A 7-day journey to jumpstart your weight loss journey with the power of tea. Whether you're looking to shed a few pounds or simply feel more energized and vibrant, incorporating these teas into your daily routine can be a delicious and effective way to achieve your goals. If you enjoyed learning about this effective weight loss method, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on health, wellness, and natural weight loss solutions. Thanks for watching, and here's to your journey toward a healthier, fitter you.